Right now, the world sentiment score is at plus 0.09, but what really stands out is the momentum at plus 0.70. This is a significant jump compared to the historical baseline. You're looking at a notable shift in collective sentiment, indicating that people are feeling more positive than usual. With 20 semantic clusters at play, our API allows you to dive deeper into this sentiment landscape. Imagine you're building an application that predicts consumer behavior. By integrating our sentiment data, you can enhance your model to reflect this sudden uptick in positivity, refining your insights for better decision-making. To explore this further, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this momentum together.